In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voice-enabled captions in Wave.video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up captions with an AI voice that matches your project's tone, language, and pacing, all within Wave.video's built-in tools. First, open your Wave.video project. Give it a second to load your timeline and the editor. We'll be working inside this project, so every caption and voice choice lines up with your visuals and pacing. Next, head to the Captions section. This is where all your subtitle and on-screen text timing is managed. Captions not only boost accessibility, they also help viewers follow along when audio is muted. Now choose Add Captions. You'll see options for how to start. Pick blank. This sets up a clean caption track so you can control exactly what appears and when, without auto-filled text getting in the way. From here, click on Voice. This tells Wave.video you want your captions paired with a text-to-speech voiceover. It's a great way to keep a consistent narration style across your video without recording audio manually. You'll be asked whether you want to apply this to the current block or all blocks. A block is typically a segment on your timeline. Think of it as a scene or a section. If you're testing the setup, current block is a safe choice. If you already know you want the same voice across the whole video, choose all blocks for a consistent sound. Next, select your language, the voice you prefer, and the speed. Choose the language that matches your script. For the voice, listen for clarity and tone that match your brand. Conversational for casual content, or more formal if that fits your message. Speed is important. Too fast can feel rushed, too slow can drag. Aim for a natural pace that keeps your captions readable. Click Generate Preview. This lets you hear exactly how your settings will sound against your content. Take a moment to check pronunciation, rhythm, and whether the pacing matches your visuals. If everything sounds right, click Add. Wave.video will apply the captions and voice selections based on your choices, and you'll see them reflected in your project timeline. And that's it. Done. You've added voice-enabled captions to your Wave.video project. This workflow keeps your content accessible, professional, and easy to update as your project evolves. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher while you work.